Making our homes cheaper, affordable to heat and future-proof takes real skills, real people, and that's exactly what Gwyrddfai in North Wales is doing. It's run by Adra, a North Wales-based housing association, bringing together people from local communities to give them hands-on training to install solar panels, heat pump, but also learning and research to make sure that our homes are fit to run for future. We are here today as part of TPAS tours, taking tenants, officers, looking around what goes behind. Let's see what we find out today.
I love this here. They've got solar panel roofs here on the ground that they slate up, and then people can practically learn how to mount solar panels up. And then take slates off, get them remount and things like that. Brilliant green skills here. So we've been taking people around, and people saying we need more of these in Wales. Others saying that they could see a pathway for learning green skills. They do a lot of conversion courses as well, like plumbers to heat pumps, electricians to solar and things like that. They've got a real focus on giving tenants opportunities here, working with partners as well. Bangor University have got some really impressive scientific setup here, testing different weathering and how damp moves and stuff like that. The people came today, they really loved it. This is something we should see more of in Wales as we try and solve the housing crisis and create greener, warmer, more affordable homes.